Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see private key for MetaMask wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your MetaMask app on your phone and then sign in. Right afterwards, tap on the secure icon at the bottom right. Tap on this option of security and privacy. From over here, simply scroll down a bit and you're going to find this option of show private key for your account. Tap on show private key, but for that you simply have to provide your password for the verification and the security purpose. Otherwise it will be unsafe and anybody could see, and that means they can lock in your account with their device to violate it. So make sure to add your password. Once you've added the password, tap on this next option at the bottom right that will be given. Then you will be able to check out the private key. Make sure to copy it somewhere, so next time if you forget your password and you have to recover your MetaMask account, you can use the private key and recover your account. So that's how easy it is. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.